Hello friends, this is a Creative Art Life. Today I will show how to make a wall hanging decor. So for this you have to watch the video till the end so that you will see how beautiful it looks. So first of all we will discuss what are the materials to be used for this. You can take any of this like this old bangles. I have used the aluminum one. You can take any of the bangles which you are having. Second, you have to take like woolens. I have taken so much colors. You can take other colors also. For that you will be needing scissors, yes of course, and a gum to stick them. And some decorative, like I have taken like pearls of different colors so that we can put for a decorative of to a wall hanging. So let's start how to do a wall hanging. It's quite easy if you will see, and the bangles can be used where we can put a wall hanging near our inside our home and all, so that it looks very beautiful. So let's start. I have taken one bangles. I will show you. We have to cover the woolen like this in the to the bangles. So I will do one bangle and show you to you. So I am taking a purple color. So you can take any of the color and you have to cut so much length. And just first put a knot so that it will not open. Knot, double knot I have put so that it will not remove. See, okay. Now we have to do like this, outside, then take the inside, then outside, it will go outside, then we have to take again inside, then outside, then inside, like this, so that you have to put your fingers here so that it will not move. See, so much I have put now. Like this you have to do full bangles, so it will look like this. Okay. See, now I have covered so much bangles and this much part is left. So I will put another knot here, and this knot is to be like this. You can take like this, then here one round is there. You have to put like this and just pull it, so it will be knot. If it is not sufficient, again you do it like this, and put inside and just pull it so that it will knot it like this. Okay, so this much is left. You can cut it. Okay, so this is the 5 bangles. I have done so much bangles. Now I will show some designs. I have done 7 bangles. Okay, so I will place it like this, so that first you have to do, second round I will do like this design. So this how to do, you can take. I will take yellow color because this is my yellow color. For this also I will take one bangles. So 3 I will do yellow one and 3 I will give green one. Okay, these both are different designs. So I will do this type of design now. So you have to do 5 rounds. 5 rounds. So first hold the bangles like this and just hold it here so that it will be tight. Do 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, then just reverse it. Just like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Then 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. So now this you can cut it and then you can make a knot. I showed you how to make a knot. So like that also you can do a knot. So just take a knot, do it. Just take the thread inside and just do it. Again one more time you have to do knot. So just put a finger here, then do it. Bring that thread inside and inside this finger and the see. Now this is the first thread which we have seen. Okay, so just knot it again here so that it will not come out. Like this. Any design you can make it. I have done like this so that it will look little beautiful. Okay, it is fixed now. So I will cut the remaining thread. See, now how it has become, you can shift it like this so that it will be little bit closer and closer. Okay, so this is the one design which you can wear. So it looks like wheels like this. Okay, see, now I have done this 3 bangles. Like this you have to do it. Okay, now I will do the second design like this. It's very simple and it is like a cross mark. So I will take another 2 bangles and I will do this type of designs. Okay, I have taken a green color. You can take any of the color which you want. I have taken a contrast color regarding to bangles. Again 5, 5. So I will do it like this. Okay, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Again I will round the bangles and I will do it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, just do a knot. First just cut it. You have to do a knot. So just place inside the bangle and remove from the other side so that it will be knot like this. Okay, if you are not sure, again you have to do it. Just place inside the bangle, then bring up, then like this circle, then put it in that circle. Knot. Now I will do this one. Same thing. I will do like this, and I will do a knot. Okay. Now I will cut it. See, now I have cutted the remaining part. Now this line is there, no? You have to adjust like this to pull it so that it will be just see. Okay, will be show like this. Okay, do the remaining bangles in the same design and it will be like this. The same design can be made in different ways also. Like that I will show first now. See, first you can do the one line, 1 2 3 4 5, and just cut it and just tie this both. Just do a knot here. See, I have made like this. Remaining part you have to cut and take the other thing and again do like that 5 times. You have to do X mark. So just hold it, 1 2 3 4 and 5, and again do a knot here. See, I have taken now so long thread to make other. First we have to close the bangles. Now I will close the bangle full like this. I will tie this one, 1 2, like this. You have to do this like this. You have to full shift it. Now like this. The motto is to fill up the bangle so that it will be easy for us to decorate the wall hanging later. So you just go like this. See, now I have come to the end part. So like this you can do this one, and if you need to be full, then this one. Okay. Now just tie, if it is possible, if you get to see the first thread which you have opened here, just tie it. See, now I have arranged this, it became like this. Okay, now I have tied here and you can see how beautiful it is looking. Now I will arrange this. You will be noticing that I have tied at each end. You can stick also with the Fevikwik gum, which is a fabric glue. But I have not done that because sometimes what happens, it will remove. But if I am making a knot here, it will not remove. This will be permanent. So I have done like this. Now I will arrange this one. See, now I have arranged this like this. I will arrange this like this and I will stick or tie this one. Ends of the bangles, but it will take lot of time. So I will tell you one easy method. That is, you have to tie with a thread, both the bangles with a thread, so that it will not remove. So I will try to show you how to tie it. First you take the bangles like this, put the other bangle side of here. Yes, like this you can tie it so that it will fix with each other very easily. Okay, see, like this I have tied this. You have to tie each and every bangle like this. Okay. See, now I have sticked like this, so it will not come. Can you see this? Right, see, it is a flower now. So now I will do one decoration like this. Okay. So now I will do one decoration. I need, see, like this I will make flowers. Can you see this? I will make these 2 types of flowers. Okay. So now first I will do this type of flower. See, I have taken this maroon color which will come on the green color. I will place it. So first let's do this type of flower. For this you will be needing a maroon color. So this I will do it like for maroon color only. See. Okay. You have to take 15 rounds. First, see, 1 like this you have to place it for hand. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Okay. So now what you will do? You will cut the other part which I don't know, and you have to tie it here so that it will be make a knot here so that it will fix. See, like this I have knotted. Now I will cut this part. You have to cut the part which is in a jodi leg. See, you have to make it single. Like this. It has to be single leg. See. Okay. Now here. So like this we have to cut it. Okay. See, like this. Now I need so much small one so that I can fix it here. This will not look good. So you can see like this. Yes. Now I will do what? I will cut like this. I will give shapes to it. So you have to do like this one. See, now I have made like this. Okay. So I will place it on the green like this with a Fevicryl. As I told you, you can use this fabric glue and just put it on so that it will be dry. You have to put like this and stick on this one. See, we have finished one part. Now what to do on the second yellow part? I will make like this flower. So I will show how to make this flower, and you have to place the same as here like that. Okay, so let's do it this one. So I have made this pink color. Now I will do pink color only. For this you will be needing like this pencil or pen or something like this long thing. Okay. I am taking this pencil, color pencil, and I'll do. First you have to do, place it one part like this, then this in the other part, and you have to such hold that it is very tricky. So I have to do very careful, and you have to rotate this, rotate this, rotate this, rotate this, rotate. And just pull it down like this. Again you have to rotate, rotate, rotate and pull it down. Again you have to do it so that the whole pencil should be filled up, so that it will give you such nice flower shape. See, this time I have filled it up. Now what I will do, I will take this pencil, I will take this out, so that I will be putting a knot. This will come like this. So you have to hold it like this. You have to slowly bring outside the pencil this one like this. You have to pull it, pull it. but be sure that this part will not go outside, otherwise it will not. Slowly you should bring outside the pencil so that it will not jumble it up. Okay, just hold it, and this thread you have to be here. Just pull it and this pull it. Pull both the end and make a knot here, so that it will give a flower shape like this. Stretch hard as much as you can so that it will give flower shape. Make another one knot and make another one knot. Hope you have understood this one, how to make it. Now whatever the waist part is there, na, you have to cut like this. So this, see, if this part is not looking nice, you can cut and yeah, see, looking like flower or not. Okay, so I will be needing 3 flowers. So I have made already 3. Now I will be having 3 flowers. I am taking this purple color because my bangle is purple color, na, so I think that the purple color will look best. So I will take 50 round first and see. I want to make bunch like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49, 50. Okay. Now what you will do? Just hold like this, and with the other color you tie this one. See, I will take the pink color. Okay. Take the pink color and I'll just tie it to the end, starting point also you can see. Just round it, round it, round it, round it, and then you make a knot. See, like this. Okay. Tie that one so that it will not remove. Okay. Now cut the part and cut the extra part, and now it will not look nice. So I need like a bunch, so I will cut it like this. You must see that this is the partition has cut everything. See, you can see now like this, right? Now it is not in level, so you have to make it in a level so that it will visually look very nice. See, now hold it like this and cut the end part, lower part, or you can see, and make it on a level. Now it is looking like bunch. Okay, see, like this bunch is created. Now I have to hang it like here, as you can see here. So what I will do, I have taken one thread, say this one, so I will place it. Okay, now I will make one hole like this, and it has to come in the middle so that it will be like this. Just make a end point, a knot here, so that it will not come outside. Okay, I'll tell you again. I have put this inside from here to here, and see, I have tied a knot here so that it will not come like this. You can see like this hanging now. Yeah. Now I can place this. I have to place this in the here so that it will come like this. But before that, I will decorate something. So I will take this one bead. See, these beads. I'll make a combination of beads. This and this one. Okay. So put the beads here like this. It's a whole part. So like this. You can check how much beads you need or how much decoration you need for that, so that it will look nice. See, this one. Okay, I will add some more so that it will look good. See, now I have placed this kind of beads. Okay, now I have to tie again. I will tie this one to this one. I will hang like this so that it will look beautiful. So I will cut like this. And I will hang to it. First you have to place. Okay guys, see, I have attached like this now. Can you see this? And decorated like this. You can decorate at your choice. Thank you for watching my video, and please like and subscribe my channel for more interesting videos. Thank you everyone. Have a good day.